Welcome to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Cyprian, and I'm excited to bring to you my risk management framework March 2021 training schedules. I'm excited to bring it to your attention and to let you know that the March training schedule is out and ready. Registration is currently going on. So what are these schedules? Now here is the schedule for the March 2021 RMF classes. There are two schedules for the month of March. There is the Saturday class, which is for 7 Saturdays. Saturday class is for 7 Saturdays. So it's going to start March 13 to April 24th, 2021. Time is 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The venue, it is virtual, live, online. So that is the Saturday class. And then there is the evening class for the same month of March, which is for 4 weeks. The evening class runs for 4 weeks, Mondays and Wednesdays. And it's starting March 1st to March 22nd, 2021. The timing for the evening class, that is the 4 weeks class, is 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, and it's also virtual, live, online. So whichever of this schedule that works with you, please give us a call to register for any of this class. You can hook up to any of this class from anywhere around the world. So that is what the March class is affording you. And like you all know, most of you must have known, this RMF class is one of the easiest pathway for you to get into cybersecurity, because all what we're going to be learning in there is cybersecurity, risk management framework, NIST publication, FISMA Act of 2002. And this class will afford you the opportunity of hands-on. That is what the job is all about. So how do you do the job? What will you encounter on the job? We will teach you in class. I will hold your hands to teach you all that you need to know. So this class is focusing on the 7 steps of the risk management framework. So it's teaching you the hands-on. And again, this class will also prepare you for the certification exam, the CAP certification exam, the ISC2 authorized certified authorization professional certification. This class will also prepare you for that. This class will also prepare you for job interviews. This class will prepare you and teach you how to build resume. And lastly, this class will also provide you technical support on the job. If you get a job, you have some issues with the task you're given on the job, we will provide you that support. So that is what this class will afford you. Now, even if you have not or you didn't take my class and you find yourself having issue with the task on the job, please give us a call. Give me a call so that I can provide you that technical support, explain to you what the task is all about and how you should go about it. Also, if you need a refresher, if you didn't take my class, or you are one of my previous students who have taken my class and you need a refresher, please give me a call. It's going to be at a very minimal cost for you to take a refresher class. It's going to be at a very minimal cost. And if you want to avail yourself, you have not taken these classes before, you want to take my class, please give me a call. There is a huge discount for those taking the class afresh. There is a huge discount awaiting you. Now, I have discount if you are a single mom, if you are a single dad, if you are, if you're a widow or a widower, struggling, give me a call. There is a discount for you if you wish to take, the risk management framework class. If you want to take this training, there is a huge discount for you. So please, this is the March class. Registration is already in progress if you want to take this risk management framework training. Now let's lastly and then finally if you wish to register for this class, please give me a call at 202-854-9882, or you can send me an email at info@titeconsult.com. Like I said, there is huge discount for you for the month of March if you're taking this class in the month of March. Now, if you wish to, you want to know what are the schedules for the remaining of this year, there is a video I did previously on my 2021 RMF training schedule. Please look at the video, look out for that video, search out that video. You will see the schedule for the month of April, for the month of May, June, July, August, September. It's right there in one of my trainings that is on my platform. Thank you very much for your unending support. And like you have said, like you have seen on my channel, this training, that is how I teach, that is how I explain this concept, and everyone that comes to my class, understand it. Even if you don't have IT knowledge, if you don't have IT background, come. I will explain this concept of risk management framework to you. I will infuse the confidence in you that will help you to go out there and get the job that you need to be able to start your career in cybersecurity. Thank you very much, and I look forward to receiving your call to registering for this month of March RMF training. Thank you.